Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the voicemail notifications not working issue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, install the voicemail app. Now go to Google Play Store and search voicemail app, and from here install any voicemail app and then go back to your home screen. And now to fix its issues, swipe down and to open the quick settings panel, and from here if you have turned on the do not disturb mode, then turn it back off, and after turning off your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then try restarting your mobile. So to restart, swipe down and here click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now here again click on this restart icon to restart your mobile, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is open settings. Scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, search the voicemail app. Now go to its storage and clear the app data and cache memory of the voicemail app. Now after doing this, go back and go to notifications, and from here if you have blocked the notifications, then turn on this button to allow notifications, and after turning on this button your problem will be fixed. But if you're still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings again. Scroll down and here click on general management and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here click on reset all settings and then click on reset settings option here again to reset your mobile settings. So after doing this your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.